Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing briefly how I do my makeup and styling my hair, introducing 3 new products to create textured beachy waves. So my makeup routine is pretty simple. I'm using a black pencil and a brow brush that has a wand and an angled brush to blend my brows. Going in with a liquid concealer by NYX called Sand Sable to shape and clean them. After the concealer, I go in with another angled brush to get as close as possible to erase any lines. Using Sand Sable Concealer by NYX, I begin concealing underneath my eyes. Going in with the pointy end of my beauty blender to smooth and spread the product around. After concealing around my eyes, I apply the product to my upper lip. Applying a liquid matte foundation to the flat edge of my beauty blender. Using a cream stick of concealer, I will go over the same spots as before, highlighting those areas that tend to get shadows. This cream stick concealer has a beauty blender that I love attached to the stick. The cream foundation stick is for making contour lines. Near my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose is where I will be making these contour lines. Take your beauty blender and be sure to blend out any harsh lines. Using a bigger beauty blender to set my makeup using translucent powder. Underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead tends to accumulate oils in these areas, so the powder will prevent the liquids from moving around. Introducing Dry Oil Weightless Shine Spray, a product that will be available for purchase on my website. This product is perfect for detangling on dry hair. I'm going to begin sectioning my hair down the middle and securing each side with a crocodile clip. Clips will also be available for purchase on my website. Starting at the nape of my neck, I'm going to begin making smaller sections to curl. The smaller the sections, the greater dimensional effect the beach waves will create. Using my titanium 1-inch flat irons to create this look. Each piece is alternated clockwise and counterclockwise and straightened at the end. Your hair should look like loose curls. Using Whiskey Fix styling paste, emulsify a small dab into the hands and work evenly through dry hair with your fingertips. You want to add more as needed for defined waves and curls with extra hold. Emulsify a small amount of the Whiskey Fix on your fingertips and in the palm of your hands, and either scrunch or comb through your hair. I like to flip my hair upside down to get a little bit more volume. I am going in with this natural finishing texture molding paste. This will add definition and increase texture as well as hold. Notice how these two products still gives my hair a lot of body and movement without making my hair crunchy and hard. It's extremely light and airy product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and don't forget to tell your friends Africa styles me.